Fruits are one of the best sources to get good health and weight loss. Fruits contain high level of minerals, vitamins, and antioxidants. Here are 10 fruits which directly deal with weight loss. Strawberries. Strawberries are low in calories and provide essential vitamins and minerals. Apples. Apples are low in calories and high in nutrition and fiber, and apples contain pectin, which aid to weight loss. Watermelon. Watermelons are fat-free and high level of vitamin A and B, helps to lower blood pressure. Banana. Banana make gut healthier, high in fiber content, and it gives you energy. Blueberries. Blueberries decrease calorie intake and it enhances your metabolism and fat burning. Pears. Pears are high in fiber content and it helps in lowering cholesterol levels and promotes cardiac health due to its high potassium content. Kiwi fruit. It contains high value of fiber and vitamin C and it suppresses appetite. Papaya. Papaya low in calories and it's a good source of fiber. Papaya improves satiety. Pineapple. Pineapple induces set of satiety, contain bromelain which helps in metabolism and anti-inflammation. Lemon. Lemon contain high level of vitamin C and antioxidants. To see more health and beauty tips, subscribe us, like, comment and share.